Monsoon has arrived almost everywhere in India now. And for plant lovers, it is the most favorite season, right? Because our plants look lush green, fresh, and healthy in this season. And more importantly, we can multiply our plants with much ease in monsoon, right? So today we'll check a long list of flowering plants that can be easily propagated in monsoon. Welcome back, friends. I'm Swati and you're watching Backyard Gardening. The first plant from the list is Brahma kamal, cactus orchid, or night queen. You might know this plant from any of these names. This gorgeous flower blooms at night and remains for one night only. The next morning it closes and dries up gradually. And this is the only flowering plant in which flower blooms from its leaves, not the stem or nodes. You can grow this plant easily from its stems and leaves both. I have a separate detailed video on this. Please check it for complete info. Next gorgeous flowering plant with a variety of flower color is geranium, and they can be very easily grown from stem cuttings. Next flowering plant is oleander or canary plant. This plant has pink, white and yellow flowers and can be very easily grown from stem cuttings in monsoon, and they bloom round the year. Another gorgeous flowering plant, Musenda, which comes in many colors like peach, red, white and yellow, blooms profusely during summer and monsoon, and it can be very easily grown from stem cuttings in rainy season. Another flowering plant, Jatropha, which blooms round the year with pretty fuchsia color flowers, can be easily grown from stem cuttings in monsoon. Next comes vibrant yellow flowers from Tecoma stands. They bloom round the year and it's a tree, and it can be easily propagated by stem cuttings in monsoon. Plumeria, temple tree or Firangipani. We all know that they come in many colors like pink, yellow, white and shaded ones, and all the varieties can be easily grown by its stem cuttings, and monsoon is the perfect time for its propagation. Next from the list is Plumeria pudica or Nag Champa. It's called Nag Champa because of its leaf pattern which looks like Nag, which is snake. It blooms in white color and they are very easy to be propagated by its stem cuttings like temple tree or Firangipani plant. Another bloomer for round the year, king's mantle, with gorgeous purple flowers, can also be very easily propagated by thick woody cuttings with multiple nodes in it. Next comes Lantana with yellow, purple, red, and pink flowers. There are bush and vine varieties both and can be very easily propagated by stem cuttings, but the chances of successful propagation is higher in monsoon only. Vinca, periwinkle, or sadabahar. We all know is a round the year bloomer, but not many people know that its plant can be grown by stem cutting as well very easily in monsoon. And they come in many colors like pink, white, purple, shaded ones, and many other color flowers. Jasmine or Chandni, we all know, are one of the easiest plants to grow from stem cuttings, be it single petal or double petal jasmine varieties. But the chances of successful propagation gets really high in monsoon. And both the varieties bloom profusely throughout summers and monsoon. Next gorgeous flowering plant that can be easily propagated by stem cutting is ixora or flame of jungle. They also come in many colors like white, pink, red, orange color. And the best thing about the plant is once the flower blooms, it remains on the plant for more than a month. A must grow plant for a colorful garden. Next is hydrangea, the gorgeous flowers that bloom in bunch in many colors. Remains on the plant for more than a month like ixoras and can be very easily grown by its stem cuttings. Next is Vidalia. It's like a weed. Once you grow them in your garden, it never dies, believe me. They bloom round the year and can be grown even with a small cutting very easily. Second last from the list is rose. We all know that all the varieties of roses can be easily grown from its cuttings in monsoon very easily. Last flowering plant that can be easily grown by stem cuttings is hibiscus. We all know all the varieties, be it hybrid variety, red chili hibiscus, or the native red, white, and pink color hibiscus. They all can be grown in monsoon very easily, and monsoon is the best season for propagating hibiscus. I have detailed video on most of these plants discussed today. So what are you waiting for? Do grow your plants from cuttings this monsoon. That's all for today, friends. I hope you find today's video helpful. Please consider subscribing to my channel for more such interesting videos. See you soon with one more interesting video. Bye bye.